Rolling? Hi.
You see the skids later on.
Bleep that out because he's a bit of a moron, that bloke.
This episode is brought to you by Mendham Towing, your 24/7 emergency towing service.
Hi, Veronica Lubros from Point Cook TV. Today we're at the Brood Summer Meet in Hoppers Crossing. So we're talking to Jaden Baird, the organiser of this event. Hi, Jaden.
Hello.
So tell us about this event.
Pretty much just organise it, get all the cars down, mix of cars, anything can come, old school, new school, low, high, motorbikes, anything. That's all I organise it for, all for fun.
How long have you been doing this for?
Roughly about 3 years.
3 years. And what was the reason that made you want to start this?
So I got into photography from cars, and then obviously I just want to host my own, and it just got bigger and bigger.
This is one of many of the sheds that we have. This is the 1955, and we have 7 sheds in total.
Oh, wow.
We've got 55, 56, 57. We love them.
I'm not sure what's going on over here, but the word burnout gets used quite a lot.
No, nothing like that. We're all respectable citizens.
How fast does this thing go? If I'm allowed to touch it.
Well, we'll say on a track, I think the maximum had about is 220.
Tell us about your car.
It's a little LJ 4-cylinder front, with an RB30 in it. It was all just stock with a rock when I got it, and done full custom work to it, all the engine, everything, it's all engineered now.
What brings you to today's meet?
All the cars, everywhere, it's packed. You should come down, got to come down.
You're watching Point Cook TV.